Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Goodall jump starter. First, familiarize yourself with your jump starter's components. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Before connecting anything, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral and the ignition is completely off. This preparation takes just a moment but prevents potential hazards, making the entire process much safer and more effective for everyone involved. Now, let's connect the jump starter. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block, away from the battery itself. This provides a good ground connection. Always double-check that both connections are firm and stable before proceeding to the next step, ensuring a safe and efficient jump start. With the clamps securely in place, it's time to start your vehicle. Turn on your Goodall jump starter. Then, attempt to start your vehicle's engine. Crank the engine for no more than 5 seconds at a time. If it doesn't start immediately, wait at least 30 seconds before trying again. This allows the jump starter to recover and prevents overheating, giving you the best chance for a successful start without causing any damage. Congratulations, your vehicle is running. Now, it's crucial to disconnect the jump starter safely. First, remove the black negative clamp from the engine block. Then, carefully detach the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. Once disconnected, allow your vehicle to run for at least 15 minutes. This helps your car's alternator recharge its battery sufficiently, ensuring you won't need another jump start anytime soon. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.